Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the answers of the video how to add s to the verbs. Let's start. So in this exercise you have to conjugate these verbs in present simple. Remember, for he, she, it, we add an s to the verb. Let's see first one. We eat a lot of pasta. In this case, we have the subject we, so we do not add s. Second, she drinks coffee every day. Here we have she. In this case, we just add an s. 3. My son takes the bus to school every day. In this case, we have to add just an s. 4. He sleeps a lot on Saturdays. Here we have he, so we add an s. 5. We fix cars. Here we don't add s. 6. She drives every day 10 kilometers. Here we just add an s. 7. I leave in the morning. Here we don't add an s. 8. She goes there by bus. When the verb ends in o, we add es, so she goes. 9. My sister plays tennis once a week. So my sister plays, we add an s, just an s. 10. I walk alone. Here we don't add an s. They usually go to China every summer. I usually visit them. He plays tennis every Monday. Here we just add an s. 14. She visits her grandmother twice a week. Only an s. We live in London. 16. She watches TV at night. When the verb ends in ch, we add es. She watches. 17. He knows Tom. We add an s. 18. He thinks every day about her. We add an s. 19. You speak Spanish. No s. And 20. He worries about my sister. We change y into I and we add es. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.